Hey guys, AA Flyer MIA here, doing a brand new airport update. This time with a brand new camcorder that I just received today. So I'm gonna be making an airport update with it. So really excited that I have a new camera and it's better. I mean, it's still 720p, but I'm fine with that. But it has excellent zoom and great sound, and it has autofocus, and it's really cool. I mean, the autofocus, it can focus very good. So anyway, but let's get started. Here, just arriving from Tokyo Narita is this ANA 737-700. This just arrived from Tokyo Narita via Anchorage, so it's taxiing to its gate. So yeah, cool. Over here I have anti-shake on, so it doesn't shake too much. Here we have an Alaska Airlines Boeing 737-700, 800. This is pushing back, ready to head out to PDX. We have a US Airways A319. This is getting fueled and getting passengers on, and we'll be heading out to Phoenix. We have a Delta Airlines MD-90, a new model. This is about to leave to Atlanta. We have an American 737-800 pushing back, ready to head out to Chicago. We have an American 762. This is just arrived from JFK. We have an American 738. This is unloading passengers and just loading catering already. And this is an American 738 that just arrived from CFI. Moving on, over here we have a US Airways A320. This is going to be heading out to Charlotte. We have a US Airways Express Bombardier CRJ-700 that's going to be heading out to Phoenix. Oh, I'm sorry, this flight right here just arrived from Phoenix, so my mistake. Over there we have American 757. This is holding short. Wait till it focuses. You know, the problem with new cameras, you know, they have a hard time focusing when they're new, so there we go. You have an American 757. This is holding short of runway 18, and this will be heading out to Dallas, Fort Worth. We have a American 763. This is rolling down the runway, ready to head out to Miami. We have an Oasis Hong Kong Boeing 747. This just arrived from Beijing Capital. Here we have a Korean Air Cargo MD-11. This is resting and we'll be heading out to Anchorage later on. We have a K-Mile Boeing 727. This is loading cargo and loading crew, and we'll be heading out to Honolulu shortly. Over there we have a LAN 767-300 in the One World colors. This just arrived from Lima. We have a British Airways Boeing 777-200ER. This just arrived from London Heathrow. And here we have another new model, Lufthansa A330-300. This is just arrived from Frankfurt. But anyway, that's the whole airport update. Pretty cool camcorder. Very cool. The reason you don't see the American Airlines London Heathrow flight in here is because I do have the expansion board over there, which I am going to expand my airport, so it'll be better, so I can have more space for my Americans and stuff, because there is going to be a separate American Airlines terminal. So anyway, let's see how the light looks, if it looks good or bad. I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty good sound too. It's pretty good too. So anyway, thank you for watching and bye, and I hope you enjoyed this airport update. Sorry I haven't made one in a long time, but at least I have one here up for you guys. So thank you for watching and bye.